Experiencing a frozen screen or no sound in your Tata Tiago's infotainment system? These issues often stem from software glitches or connectivity problems. For a frozen screen, try a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. If that fails, a hard reset via the settings menu or USB might be necessary, but remember this will wipe your data. For no sound, check Bluetooth connections or potential amplifier faults. Regular software updates, available over the air since 2024, are crucial for preventing these problems. Also, avoid exposing the system to direct sunlight, as overheating can cause freezing. Note that older models from 2018-2022 may experience more frequent issues due to outdated hardware. If a soft reset doesn't resolve the issue, consider a hard reset through the infotainment system's settings menu or by using a USB drive with the appropriate update files. Before performing a hard reset, back up any important information. You can also use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes that might pinpoint the problem. If the issue persists, especially after attempting these steps, it's best to contact a Tata service center. The problem may involve hardware issues like capacitor failures or amplifier glitches, which require professional attention. For complex issues such as those identified in online forums like Team BHP, dealer servicing or module replacement might be necessary. Note that Tata has extended warranties on some affected units.